Anyone who runs a YouTube channel or has a semi-successful blog gets pitches constantly where people want you to review their app or review their website on your channel or shout them out, all that sort of stuff, link back to their article, all of that. And in today's video, I want to run through how we monetize when people ask us to review their apps and how you can do it too. So I'm going to take you through an actual deal and show you how we're doing sponsored videos, what that kind of looks like, and the next steps in the strategy. So let's jump into it. I'll show you an actual deal. I'll show you exactly what we got paid, all of that. Here we go. And here is an email that we get pretty consistently, a version of this email over and over again. Hi Alex, my name is her name, and I'm the marketing manager at her company. We are and then it was a quick description of what her software does, and a 500 startups company based in New York. I'm reaching out to you because I recently came across your YouTube channel and you have great content about startups and tech related stuff. Wondering if you'd be interested in trying our product for free and making a video talking about company name. I think it'd be beneficial for both of our audiences if we find a way to work/collaborate together. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Now, normally I would respond to this and either say, yeah, sure, send me a free trial, or I would ignore it. But instead, this time I tried something different and it opened up this strategy. So I responded, hey, company name looks interesting. Thanks for reaching out. Would love to do a review like we've done for Google and Mailshake. The current rate is $2,000 for a video, and our reach is 35,000 followers in the B2B space. Let's get it going. And I linked to 2 video reviews that we did, actually for free. These weren't paid reviews. One is me showing Google Apps for work, a 3-minute video that right now has 129,000 views. Last time I checked, it had 80,000, so it's got good growth. I love that. And then the Mailshake review only has 1,264 views. So we did both these videos for free, so anyone could do this. Anyone could use this strategy and record reviews of enterprise level software if you wanted. And I thought that was it. I was actually sending this email as a long shot because I don't really know what their company is or have any relationship with the person that reached out. So I was thinking, let's charge $2,000 because if they pay me, I'll do it. You know, like whatever, I'll do it. So she got back, I had completely forgotten about this. She got back 5 days later. Hey Alex, sorry for my late reply. We're glad to know that you'll be interested in doing a review like the ones you've done for Google and Mailshake. If we go forward with this and you do a company review about how many views can we expect to see? And then we went back and forth. So I said at least 2,000 views using paid promotion with a lot of potential as it climbs in SEO. A few of our videos have over 100,000 views. She said, thanks for sharing the average view count. We're interested in working with you. Would you be willing to make a video along the lines of how to for $500? And she talked me down to 500. At this point, looking back, I probably could have got 1,000 or even 1,250. But I wanted to close this deal, and I'll tell you why I wanted to close this specific deal at the end of this video. But then I said, hey, we can do something around I can do $500 without the view guarantee. Then I sent her PayPal. She had a couple questions just to be 100% aware of what we can expect with this budget. How many views do you think the video will have? And I said, neither the Google or the Mailshake one had paid promotion attached, and they got 6K and 80K respectively. I linked her the Mailshake video, but for some reason I thought the Mailshake video got 6K. I was probably confused between that and the Everliker video. She knew because she saw the videos, so it's fine. And then she was like, can we pay 50% up front and 50% on completion? I was like, sure. Div sent the paypal.me. It was very easy. They paid almost instantly. We've got these invoices if you want to see these invoices here. It's just a simple invoice. Anyone can use this. They paid, we made the video, that's it. So that's how you can respond to those emails if you're getting them. Our next step is to scale. So Div, my assistant who runs almost all of the Alex Berman content, so editing the videos, all of that sort of stuff, the podcast, his special project over the next 6 months is to close $20,000 in these paid promotions. And so we've written cold emails. I'm gonna do a bigger breakdown once we have some wins in the space, but we're using cold email, using a similar script to my reply to this person, and we're gonna pitch these videos. And from a business strategy point of view, I think this is great because closing $500 is better than closing $0. We've proven that people will pay at least $500 to have a video on the YouTube channel. I think people will pay $2,000, $3,000, maybe even $4,000, depending on the amount of views we're able to get, which using their ad budget and reinvesting in YouTube ads will make it pretty simple to hit whatever view count we promise or whatever we need. So it's a very interesting strategy. If you're using something similar, let me know down in the comments below how it's working for you. By the way, if you want to have me review your company on the YouTube channel, there's a link down below. Fill out that Google form and you can apply, and maybe I'll review your company right here on this channel. If you want to work with me one-on-one in a consulting setting, you can do that over at experiment27.com/consult. If you want us to maybe review your company in our videos, the current rate is $2,000 a video. We'll put a link down below where you can fill out a Google form to apply for that. I'm Alex Berman. Thanks for watching.